I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your operating system and that you have admin rights. This matters because installation paths differ. Once done, make sure your network is stable so the installer downloads without interruption. Now open your native browser or file manager and choose the correct Chrome installer for Windows, macOS, or Linux. Picking the right package avoids permission errors. You'll save time by closing heavy apps first, because installers need CPU and disk access to unpack files smoothly. You run the downloaded installer and follow on-screen prompts. Accept only necessary permissions and read any optional offers. During installation, choose default location unless you have a reason to change it, because defaults set correct permissions automatically. Once the core files are in place, allow Chrome to set up updates and shortcuts so maintenance is automatic. If you prefer control, opt out of auto update and add a desktop shortcut manually. Both choices affect convenience versus system control. You finish by launching Chrome and signing in to restore bookmarks, passwords, and extensions. This step explains why syncing saves time. Make sure to set Chrome as your default browser only if you prefer its features. Then, customize privacy and extension settings so the browser matches your workflow. If installation fails, check common issues: insufficient disk space, missing administrator rights, or a flaky network. If problems persist, run the installer as administrator and retry. That resolves most permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.